Okay, so the next one is our EMS probe. Okay, so this is our 30K probe combined with the EMS. Okay, and then you can choose the power. Okay, we have let me see, we have 10 levels in total, but if you're the first time we're using it, I suggest you to use level 2 or level 3. Okay, so now we can click start. Again, the same, you're going to apply some gel or the hot cream on your belly. Okay, and then now you do it like this. Whoa, you will hear the strong tinnitus. Okay, it's totally normal. Okay, for this one, it's helping to tighten your skin. Okay, to tighten your skin. Remember, this one helps you to reduce your fat percentage, but this one is just helping to tighten it up. Okay, so if you just give the birth to the baby and then you find out that your belly is so saggy, so you can use this one to help you to tighten the skin. Okay. Especially your lower belly, make it become tight.